If you are still surprised at what you see, do not worry. We are going to take you all the way through the process of what we are doing. This is an amazing 12,000 capacity ultra modern farm. That's my electrician over there doing his job, connecting all lighting systems together to be controlled by one switch only. These are lamp holders in strategic places. Let me give you an overview. All right, so that is the farm still going on. I prefer to remain behind camera because I'm not looking good. I'm pretty dirty. Pretty dirty. Well, don't mind what you say. So that is me, Dr. Julian. We are currently somewhere at Umuahia, Olokoro to be precise. So if you look at what is going on here, it's a 12,000 capacity ultra modern tarpaulin fish farm, and it's an edifice on its own, a masterpiece par excellence. In fact, what you see in front here is going to be a gabbing, right? So the output coming from this amazing farm will be used to, water this crop farm, and also can be channeled to earth, and also can be channeled to any other surrounding farm that may just be interested in the waste coming out from this fantastic setup. All right, that's the update for now till we cross our path again. Boom. All right, gentlemen and ladies, now we are at the piping stage of the farm, the fish farm. So what we are doing now is creating the different slots for the pipes, each of them having their purposes. Okay, so by the time we are done with this piping, we'll cover them up and cast. So this stage we are now is piping. All right, gentlemen and ladies, so finally this is the next morning. Last night we left here around 7:38. Okay, so we are still doing the pipings. Let me take you around for the piping for the water supply.
So this is the inlet connection. From here it goes that way, and the lever, it sits this way, deliver through. Everything on the ground comes this way and deliver through, and that is that for the inlet. Then for the outlet, you have one here that delivers through. You have another one here that delivers through, and then all of them put together meet at one line, and boom, it goes outside, and this will be channeled straight to the return to earth system. Okay, so basically at this point we are ready to start leveling and casting the surface. Keep watching and get the best out of Dr. Jolivin Fish Academy. And then also you will have this. You may be wondering why this is not connected to earth. You may also wonder why this is not connected to earth. And the reason for it not to be connected to earth is because this is an integrated farming system. In this farming system, 2 ponds are going to serve a crop farm that will be cultivated here, right? The crop farm that will be cultivated here will be watered by 2 ponds, and it will give the farm all the nutrients it needs to grow very well, knowing full well that catfish wastewater is highly nutritious. Okay, so that is the plan of this amazing farming system. So keep tuned as we finish this project work before you. I am Dr. Jolivin Fish Academy. Boom. Alright, so we have started with the burying proper. So this is how it looks like. So at this point, this is one outlet and this is another outlet. Everything properly buried. Okay, and then here you see another inlet. These are inlet pipes. Okay, these 2 inlet pipes, and you see another set of inlet pipes here. Everything properly buried, and same you have here. Okay, and it just continues like that. We are professionals in this field. Feel free to contact us to establish something like this for you anywhere you find yourself in this world. Alright, just about to cast the farm, the fish farm. All pipings properly installed.
Beautiful! Oh! Man, give me that my new ass girl.
still at the foundation level. And this is going to be an amazing integration of a powerhouse and what we call a water treatment center. Stay tuned. This is Dr. Joleben Fish Academy. Boom. Boom. So, gentlemen and ladies, at this point we are done with the casting of the floor. So just have a look. All these you see are outlets and inlets. Outlets and inlets. So we're about setting the ponds right now, and this is just how it is. Yeah, it is what it is. Just remain tuned and we'll show you the updates of how far we have gone. Boom. All right, so we are done with preparing the hose. If you check very well, you will notice that each hole has been docked, and we are just at the verge of installing the tarpaulin stands. Okay, so we have a total of 12,000 capacity which we are working on, and what you see here is the installation process. So at this point we have started installing the tarpaulin stands. Everything properly buried. Properly buried and plumbed as well. All right, that's perfect. Absolute straightness. Boom. All right, gentlemen and ladies, this is the state of things right now at the farm. What you see over there is a 12,000 capacity farm. So we are finally done with the installation of the ponds. Okay, let me take you to the inside part so that you see what it is very well. This is a high standard, ultra modern fish farm we are building here, and we are still very much at the inception stage. Okay, so boom. All right, so this is the first lobby, and this is the second lobby. So let me take you from the other side. All right, so all the ponds are already in good shape. So this is the first path to enter. You have the inlet pipes here, 1 and 2. That controls for the first 2 ponds, and then you have another 2 here which controls these 2 ponds. Okay, and as for this, you will find the inlets there as well. Let me take it. So here you have the inlet here, and then you have another one here and another one here. As for the outlets, they are still much going to be installed. This is the first outlet, and this is the second outlet as well. So basically this is the update of the farm, right? And then it also has a switch here. This switch here is to control the lighting
points in this area, okay? Just in case the farm attendant has work to do at night, he can just put on the light here and everywhere will come up. Once he's done with his job, he can just put it off back. The fish don't need light at night. Why? Simply because they are nocturnal animals, okay? And they are more active in the night than in the day. Know this and know success in fish farming, right? All right, so let me take you upstairs so that you can also have an idea of how far we have gone with the construction of the farmhouse. So this is the farmhouse we are building. Downstairs are feed houses and toilet where you store feed for the fish and every other thing that has to do with the farming system. So taking you upstairs now to show you how far we have gone with raising the structure. And boom. So wow, this wall has gotten to lintel level already. So we are upstairs. This is the first room for the farm attendant, and this is the personal toilet for the first room. It's a self-con apartment, and this is the lobby, and then you meet the second one. This is the executive room. This executive because it's bigger, and the toilet is this one you see here. So this will lead you to the toilet for the first, the second farm attendant, okay? And then if you go further, what you meet here is the kitchen, right? So the kitchen is actually what is here, and you can have an idea of how it looks like. So basically, that is how far we have gone with the raising of the farmhouse. And by God's grace, next week we should be able to start roofing this farmhouse and getting the job officially concluded. All right, thanks for watching. This is Dr. Julian Fish Academy. Boom.